Hello, students. Let us continue with the chapter Space Travel, Part 3. Today, we are going to learn about the astronaut training. Before we learn about the astronaut training, we are going to learn one factful thing. We are going to hear about one factful thing, that is about the Mars 1. It is a project named Mars 1 to set up the human colonies. This is the human colonies. Their aim is to set up the human colonies on planet, that is Mars, on planet Mars. Okay, in Mars they are planning to set up these human colonies. So in this, to set up these human colonies on planet Mars, Mars 1 will begin to send one person at a time from the year 2024. That is, they will send the Mars, once Mars 1 will begin to send one person at a time. That is, Mars 1 is the project name which will begin to send one person at a time from the year 2024. There are 3 Indians. Here you can see the picture of these 3 Indians who are shortlisted for Mars 1. Okay, who are shortlisted for Mars 1. There are 3 Indians, 1 man and 2 women. That is, a man and 2 women who are being shortlisted for the next round selection of among the 100 people. So, among 100 people, these 3 are shortlisted for Mars 1 to design the colonies of on the planet Mars. So, did you understand, students? Yes. So, now let us learn about the astronaut training. So, we have learned in the last class the traveling of space is different from any other travel. So if you want to be one of the people to see the earth from the space and float on the spacecraft, how do you go about it? It takes many years to study and work. To be an astronaut, we have to study and get a degree in engineering, science, or mathematics. After this, we have to undergo training on flying the spacecraft, lifestyle in space, and so on. We must be healthy since astronaut training can be very tiring. Astronauts from different countries may share a mission to space. So, you should be good at the common language of communication like English. That is, to become an astronaut, you need to know the good communication. That is, you need to know, because the astronaut is not only in India, there are many different countries where you will have to communicate with each other for the mission to the space. That is, space mission, for getting to know the information or the specific data about the space. So you need to communicate in the common language like English or any other language which is convenient for the astronauts. So, are you still interested? If so, maybe someday you can orbit the Earth in the spacecraft, walk in the space, or visit the Mars. So, astronaut training is really very hardful, or it should be a very hard work training, because you need to be very healthy and very concentrative in doing all these things. So you need to learn more, work hard more, only then you can become an astronaut. Okay, students, I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson and you would have understood many things about this lesson, about the space, about the travel of space. Let us continue the session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.